What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sparkman. There has been a new update for Gdevelop beta 68. Okay, and they have fixed the problem with the Piscal or Piscal. Is it Piscal or Piscal? I have no idea. Sometimes it wouldn't open properly. You had to close it and open it again, but now that has been fixed. Fix was added checksum verification to avoid any potential breakage in the future. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but it works fine. Okay, so that's what you need to know. So yeah, so I will post a continuation of yesterday's tutorial. Alright, in the meantime, if you are interested in game development, don't forget to check out my second channel, Sparkman2. Maybe I should write that on the there should be like huge text here that says Sparkman2. The two channels look pretty much the same. I mean, the banners look pretty similar, so maybe I should change this one a little bit. Maybe I'll make it red or something. Yeah, subscribe to this channel if you are interested in game development. So all game development content is gonna come over to this channel. Okay, no Fortnite and all that stuff. You will still see some of these uploads in my main channel. But yeah, sometimes they just get buried under the Fortnite challenges and other stuff I upload in the main channel. Yeah, so also I'm going to upload some new videos about the new App Game Kit Studio. Okay, this looks pretty good actually. So it's basically App Game Kit, but it has drag and drop capabilities, pretty much like Game Maker Studio. So I predict this will be the next Game Maker Studio. Probably already is. Alright, so yeah, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, guys, and also I will re-upload some of my older videos here to this channel, so you don't have to look through piles and piles of Fortnite content. Yeah, all game development content is coming to Sparkman2. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, drop a like and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.